Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to make a white chocolate 3D Easter bunny. What I have here is some white chocolate. It is not tempered, which means anybody can follow along with this tutorial. I have a mold that I got off of Amazon, and it is already split and it's ready to go. So we have the two sides here. So I'm just placing it in here so that it doesn't tip as I fill it. So I'm going to give my chocolate a little bit of a stir here, make sure I'm on camera, and then we're just going to fill this up. And this is a fun little mold. You can get these molds on Amazon or most craft stores. At this time of year, they are very popular. So that's good, just like that. And then I'm going to put my other piece of the mold there, and then all we need to do is just clip it together. So I've got these little office clips here that you can get at any office supply store. These little paper clips. I'll just put those on, and then we are ready to go. I think I'm going to do, maybe I'll do 4 on this one. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to move that one down a little bit like this. I think that's good, just like that, so you can see how that looks. And now what we're going to do is, I'm just going to take the mold and I'm just going to start moving it all around. You can already see what's happening here. Now these molds are really fun to use because they've got these little placement areas so that the mold lines up perfectly. So we're just going to do this, and then we're going to flip it over, and then once we get this, make sure that we have it all nicely covered. You want to just take your time doing this so that you make sure that every area is covered in. So we want to have a nice little seam when we remove it. I think that looks good. There's a little air bubble right there that I just got the majority of it. There, it's gone. So that's good like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place this into the freezer. I'm going to leave it like that for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it over another 10 minutes, and then I'll just flip it over again and just let it go for a good hour. So here we go, my mold is nicely chilled. We'll just remove all of these little clips, and let's hope for a nice clean break. Let's check this out. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is so nice. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at that. So there's our nice mold, and there is our little Easter bunny. Look at that. That is really super, super cute. So let's just flip them around. You can see nicely done on the seam there. Really nice. Oh, I'm super happy with that. So there we go. So we've come to the end of another little tutorial. This is a really fun one. Your children are going to love this. And if you don't like white chocolate, here you can do it in a dark chocolate or a milk chocolate. Super cute as well. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out over there at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.